Metro Lines Union Station. It's the bus stop this time, right in the midst of Union Station, going towards east, going towards the little another mission. This time it's the Sant'Antonio di Padova mission. There's Sant'Antonio di Padova mission, but it's not this. Gotta be. I don't know where I am, folks. It's absolutely crazy. It's like somewhere completely walking downtown LA, just on the sidewalk. Have a look at all this. Have a look at this. Welcome to America. Welcome to not just America, but come to California. It's incredible. It's incredible what you can see when you walk. It's a highway. Highway 10. Wow. It's amazing, right? You would never see. Come walk with me, folks. I'm using the public transport today. Let's have a look down here. What I would expect. You would not believe what you'll see. Look. It's incredible. I mean, how could you ignore? How could you take your eyes away? I'm not saying anything different to what I'm seeing. It smells of urine, smell of drugs, smell of everything, folks. Wow. Incredible. As a tourist or of any kind, journey through downtown, LA, Los Angeles. Can you see what's coming up? Hollywood, it says. Freeway to Santa Ana and Hollywood. Hey. Wow. Hollywood and Santa Ana. Welcome to Hollywood. Welcome to LA. Nothing is spared in the country that shows the world the affluence. The country that shares a common sense, supposedly. Oh, wow. Wow. That's a bus stop. Don't want to bring your children. A dog man. That's what you're going to get. A dog man. Love, it truly hurts here in LA because everything seems very different to what I saw as a child. Thought everything was clean. Hi. Pardon? It's crazy, folks. Absolutely crazy. It's a beautiful bridge.